Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't forget to say these 3 phrases. Now please save this video and share it with 2 very special people in your life because they need to do this too. Starting tomorrow, as you speak these 3 phrases, your emotional and financial life will undergo a significant transformation. Listen carefully. The first phrase, we know the challenges in life, but remember what Psalm 23 says, "The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want." No matter where we are, God is our shepherd. He will provide for our needs. Please click the like button. Leave your name because I will offer a confirmatory prayer for your life. This is a powerful start. The second phrase is based on Psalm 91. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. This means that no matter how many difficulties are around you, God will protect you and shelter you under His safe wings. Feel this peace and protection. Let it penetrate your heart. The third phrase, Psalm 121, tells us that when we look up to God, He will change our destiny. Evil cannot overcome us. Enemies cannot triumph. This is a divine promise. Believe in this truth and firmly believe it will change your life. When you wake up tomorrow, speak these 3 phrases. You will see positive changes beginning in your life, and your emotional and financial life will be blessed. Don't forget to leave your name because I will pray for you. May God bless you and fill your life with love and miracles.